Okay, welcome back to my channel. I just received my Vevor 15-liter ultrasonic cleaner. FedEx just brought it. I bought this off of eBay, but it's a Vevor brand. It came from, well, it's Chinese, they're all the same, but it came from California. It was listed to have come from New Jersey, which is close to me, figuring it'd be 2 or 3 days to get it here. Ended up shipping out of California, which took over a week. So anyway, here's the box it came in, the foam padding on the bottom. Here's foam padding on the top of it, how it was shipped. In a bag. There's the lid, obviously. Nothing wrong with it. Here's the parts. Everything for it, the basket, it's all in there. Pretty good size. Not real deep though. I'm a little bit surprised it's not so deep. But anyway, what I need this for is I have an injection pump off of that engine right there. And it's a Rusa Master injection pump. And it has had diesel fuel allowed to dry up in that engine. That engine is set for quite a while. And the fuel dried up in it, and it's got the inside of the pump just all crusty and stuff with dried diesel fuel. So I'm going to put it in this and try and clean that injection pump up. This was suggested to me not only by watching videos on YouTube, but I have a friend that used to work in a machine shop. He's retired now, but they did lots of injection pump work, and they did lots of injector work, honing out the tips on injectors and stuff for pulling, for trucks and tractors for pulling. So I'm going to try and get this clean, get that pump cleaned up, and I'm going to use this to do it. So as I get going here, I will post a video as I do this and what I'm going to use for solution and how I'm going to do it. So, all right, thanks for watching. Stay tuned. This will be coming up here shortly. God bless.